Listen, I'm really upset about this. I can't believe you missed the deadline again. This is becoming a pattern, and it's affecting the whole stepping up. This isn't just about making excuses anymore. I'm tired of hearing I'm trying my best. You were brought on for your skills, and right now, everyone else. We can't keep covering you. I need you to step up, or we'll have to reconsider your position.
When life gets insanely overwhelming, that's the time she needs a break. To nature, to the sea. She needs to escape from the routine, slowing down, indulging into an experience that restores her well-being. And when she's in the water, her mind sheds all worries, leaving a serene clarity. That's all she needs. And that's our mission.